Okay, so I went to a bachelorette party and I'm thinking I'm going to be going to a dinner and to be doing a simple paint and sip at a hotel room. But no, I'm being relegated to do some decoration duties, and I was given the balloons, of course. And so I did not plan any of this. So I'm using the materials that they purchased, and they purchased some 99-cent store balloons. The hot pink balloons are the 99-cent store balloons. They're 9 inches. And then it looks like they bought an Amazon balloon kit. It was rose gold and blush were the colors. And then they had some confetti balloons. So there wasn't a whole lot of balloons in that balloon kit. It actually looked like it was maybe like 16, 20 balloons in that balloon kit. And the balloons looked to be about 10 inches. So I'm just showing you what they look like as I'm blowing them up. And if you can see the nipples on those, very, very noticeable. They were also very see-through. I'm not sure if that was the look that they were going for, if that's the way it was advertised. If it was advertised as like a pearlized balloon or if it was advertised as something more opaque. So I didn't have a whole lot of the rose gold and the blush balloons, as I mentioned before. So I made little small clusters of 3 dupes, which is 6 balloons that I'm twisting together. And I could only make 1 cluster of the rose gold and 1 cluster of the blush. So now I am tying my clusters together by the necks of the balloons. And I decided to do like a hot pink, the rose gold, then hot pink, then blush, then hot pink again, since I had way more hot pink balloons than the rose gold and blush balloons. I'm doing this video because I want to kind of make a comparison between, using Dollar Tree balloons, 99-cent store balloons, Amazon kits, and using more high quality balloons like your Tough Tex, Sempertex, Qualitex sort of balloons, and just give you an idea how it looks. I mean, I'm not here trying to persuade you to, not like Amazon kits or anything like that, but I just want you to see how it looks against each other. So I also want to show you the struggle. Remember, I didn't know I was going to be on balloon duty, so I didn't bring any supplies. So I had to rely on tape and the string that came with the kit to hang this balloon garland up, which made it very loose on the wall. It's not giving me that very tight look that I like on the wall that allows me to shape the balloon garland the way I want to, because now it's like kind of hanging on a little fragile. So now I'm making like 5-inch decorators out of the 9-inch hot pink balloons. I didn't have any 5-inch balloons. They didn't come in the kit. No other size came in the kit except for those like 10-inch balloons. And that was it. So I'm just twisting together some of the 9-inch balloons that I underinflated to about 5 inches. And I'm putting them into the garland by just tying them with the necks of the balloons. I'm really trying to make this look like something, folks. So now I'm adding these confetti balloons that I blew up individually, and I'm adding them with the little glue dots that came with, it didn't even come with the kit. The glue dots actually came with, they had some butterflies, some little butterflies that I'm going to put on the garland, and the glue dots came with that. So luckily they were adding the butterflies, because I wouldn't have had any glue dots to add these little confetti balloons onto. So this is what the final product looks with the butterflies added. I think it looks all right. You know what I mean? This reminds me of the balloon garlands I was making when I was like first starting to do balloon garlands, when I was practicing all the time at my house. I wouldn't use these balloons for clients, but this is what I would do to practice and hone in on my skills. Yeah, I definitely would say that I've come a long way from this type of design. So when I got home, I decided to make another balloon garland practically using the same colors. I used hot pink from Sempertex, a pearl rose gold from Tuftex, and blush from Sempertex, and all of them were 12 and 5-inch balloons. If you notice, the blush balloons are more opaque than the balloons in the first balloon garland, and you don't see the nipples as much on this balloon garland. Also, because I was able to get different sizes in these colors, you could really see the difference in the overall shape and flow of this garland. So I just want you to see a side-by-side comparison. I'm not here trying to convince you on not using Amazon kits or anything, but I just want you guys to see the difference when you use different qualities of balloons. So what do you think? Let me know in the comment section which balloon garland you prefer. And please don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.